Jordan Chiles is back in the spotlight, but this time it's not for her incredible gymnastic performances. The American gymnast has filed a formal appeal to the Swiss Federal Tribunal in an attempt to reclaim her bronze medal from the Paris Olympics. What started as a simple inquiry about a scoring errors escalated into a full-blown legal battle involving accusations of procedural violations and conflict of interest. Will Jordan Chiles manage to regain her rightful place on the podium, or is this fight just beginning? Let's dive into the details of this gripping story. Jordan Chiles is determined to reclaim the Olympic bronze medal that she won at the Paris Olympics, and her fight has now reached the Swiss Federal Tribunal. The American gymnast filed a formal appeal on Monday, continuing her pursuit to overturn a decision by the Court of Arbitration for Sports Kias that stripped her of the medal she earned in the individual floor exercise event. Chiles' legal team has argued that the CAS ruling was fundamentally flawed. They assert that her right to be heard was violated and that the decision was procedurally deficient. A significant point of contention in the appeal is the claim that CS failed to consider crucial video evidence that could have demonstrated that Chiles' inquiry regarding her score was submitted within the allowed timeframe. Moreover, her attorneys highlighted a serious conflict of interest involving the KS panel president. They alleged that the president had served as legal counsel to Romania, the home country of Ana Barbosu, who ultimately received the bronze medal. The U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Committee has backed Chiles' appeal, adding their voice in support of her effort. In a collective show of solidarity, USA Gymnastics is also preparing to take further legal action, aiming to secure what they believe is justice for Jordan. The organization noted that the decision for Chiles to spearhead the appeal was a strategic move. Jordan Chiles initially finished 5th in the floor exercise final at the 2024 Paris Olympics. However, following a successful appeal by her coach regarding a scoring error, Chiles' final score was adjusted. The original score failed to credit her for a specific skill, and once corrected, her score rose from 13.666 to 13.766. This increase bumped her up 2 places, awarding her the bronze medal. Yet the victory was short-lived. The KS later ruled that the appeal had been submitted 4 seconds too late, igniting a protracted legal battle. USA Gymnastics has consistently argued that they had 13 seconds remaining and did not have sufficient time to prepare a proper defense. For Chiles, the impact of this decision transcends the medal itself. In an emotional statement, she shared that the ordeal has stripped away more than just recognition of her athletic achievement. "The biggest thing that was taken from me was the recognition of who I was," Chiles explained. She emphasized that the situation goes beyond her performance on the mat, touching on personal aspects of her identity. "It's not about the medal. It's about my skin color. It's about the fact there were things that have led up to this position of being an athlete, and I felt like everything has been stripped. I felt like when I was back in 2018, where I did lose the love of the sport, I lost it again." Chiles' words reflect the emotional and mental toll this battle has taken on her. More than just a fight for a piece of hardware, this is about her identity, her journey, and her rightful place in the sport she has dedicated herself to for so long. With the support of USA Gymnastics and the U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Committee, she continues to press forward, seeking not only the return of her medal but also justice for the wrongs she feels have been done. Jordan Chiles' case shines a light on the complex nature of scoring disputes in gymnastics and the broader implications these decisions can have on athletes' careers and lives. As the case moves to the highest court in Switzerland, the outcome will be closely watched by the gymnastics world and sports fans alike. Chiles' resilience and determination to fight for what she believes is right exemplify the spirit of an athlete who is not willing to give up no matter the odds stacked against her. Jordan Chiles' fight for justice is far from over, and the gymnastics world is watching closely. With the support of USA Gymnastics and the U.S. Olympic and Paralympic Committee, Chiles is pushing forward with her appeal, determined to right what she sees as a significant wrong. Her case has become more than just a battle for a medal. It's a fight for recognition, fairness, and the integrity of the sport itself. Stay tuned for updates as we follow this incredible journey.